Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ALCATEL U5 HD to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Now open it. Click I accept, choose confirm, click on continue and select allow. You want to go with Send on Alcatel and Receive on an Android. Normally, you need to tap on all of those dots and click Send to send all of your files. But it will take a lot of time, so I will just click on this one song, click Send, tap on Got It, and from here there are two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will click on the scanning icon on an Android. Select Allow and scan the code. Then I can choose Remind Me Later, and now when I go into, for example, folder File Manager and select, in my case, Audio, I can see that my song is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!